Take refuge from stress at the Healing Station in Folsom. Indulge yourself as you improve your health and wellness in this relaxing alternative spa. Every detail of design, decor, sight, sound, and texture has been meticulously created to give you a sanctuary with your complete wellness in mind. Massage for health or relaxation for your whole physical, energetic, and spiritual well-being. Our massage therapists are ready to make you feel renewed from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. Our amazing staff includes a Reiki master, feng shui consultant, and expert therapists in reflexology, pregnancy, acupressure, fibromyalgia, and cranial sacral massage, just to name a few. Come as a couple or for a personal timeout from the daily pressures of life. Your experience will be the ultimate in relaxation and healing. Our services include anti-aging treatments that will leave you looking your best, which gives you greater confidence. Our traditional all-natural products are easily recognized by the skin and body. You will look younger and healthier with each application. Try the new Hydrofacial that removes impurities, exfoliates, and hydrates while resurfacing the skin, leaving your skin more supple and vibrant. Or a microcurrent treatment, which offers the ultimate option in facial rejuvenation by improving the skin tone, elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and offers intense hydration. Our waxing station and staff ensures your waxing experience to be the safest and most comfortable possible with maximum results. Join our wellness program and enjoy a massage once a month and other benefits from our impressive list. Ask us about our inner body program to lose weight, inches, and increase health. We have wellness classes to teach you a healthier way of life. See our many testimonials on our website, like Darcy R., who had an amazing aromatherapy massage. Bobby K., who was converted to a loyal client in just one session. She has tried many massage therapists over the last 20 years. Brent, who had a great facial that was so relaxing it almost put him to sleep. And Anna, who highly recommends the Healing Station because it's such a relaxing place. Call today for your appointment at the Healing Station. Experience for yourself how our services can help you on your healing journey. After all, you deserve this.